Afridi, because they know we're going to bowl an off-spinner, and they've decided to go in and see whether they can take their chance and get after Wayne Madsen.
Dashing Pakistani all-rounder, on strike, not messing around, whipping that through mid-wicket, one bounce to the fielder, getting well over to the offside. That's a good start by Afridi. He's not going to die wondering, he's going to play shot.
Our campaign, we've been strong at home, he's been one of the reasons.
Gone again with a sweep. So 4 more. It's enterprising stuff from Afridi, and 2 boundaries already.
Try to give this one a little bit more air, and he gets underneath it. Clever from Afridi, likes to attack spin. Stronger against spin, you'd say, Afridi than seam. Same field. There's discussions whether they want to change the field at the moment between the bowler and the captain. Afridi just getting himself settled.
Well, there's 2 fielders behind square on the leg side, but they're both in the circle. Nobody out protecting the boundary. Afridi will try his luck again, I'm sure. Down the ground this time, thumped hard, wristily, and it's 4 more. It beats long on. It's a great start for Hampshire.
Yeah, good start. Tries to follow him, doesn't he? Gives himself room to go over the offside. Solid base. Young batsman out there who wants to make a career in 2020. Solid base, strong from Afridi.
Going again, this time it's over mid-off, and 1 bounce 4. It's explosive stuff from Shahid Afridi. It's 16 without loss. Afridi goes. That's a trademark Afridi slap over wide long on for the first 6 of the night.
In his arc, isn't it? It's where not to bowl to Shahid Afridi. Going deep in his crease. How deep he is in the crease. He's trying to go perhaps a little bit squarer. Gets enough of it. Good catch in the crowd. Oh, put down. But he caught it at one stage. Under pressure now, Cotton. Wicket, 6. What now?
All straight, he's got all of that. That's over the media centre. Massive blow. Huge shot.
Again, wrong length. He's enjoying this, Afridi. He's probably been waiting to open the batting all season for Hampshire. He's probably been telling James Spence, I'm your man to open. And tonight he's showing that he still has the ability to hit big sixes out the middle. 30 from 11.
It's just a swipe.
Yeah, not at all where he wanted it to go, Shahid Afridi, but he gets the desired effect. Boom, boom, at his best. Anything he hits finds that rope.
How long has he been around? Boom, boom. I'm sure he was playing when I was playing.
International debut in 1996. It says he's 37 years old.
Oh, another biggie. Mid-on. Gonna get there, mid-on, mid-on. No!
Well, he pulled off a brilliant catch a little earlier. Matt Henry swirling in the air. Mistimed, it's a full toss. Shahid Afridi, but I wanted that to go out the stands. And to make matters worse, he's parried it over the rope.
I can't help but thinking they bowled the wrong length to him. Full toss again, and it's smacked away over extra cover. 1 bounce. 71 for 1 in 6 overs. Power play. That's better. That's better. Bang it in there. That's better. He's gone for 6.
Up for Afridi in 20 deliveries. He's gone for the short ball once more, and unfortunately for Henry, it's found the stands.
Well, that's his second 50 in 55 innings. They've done brilliantly. Send him in first. Oh, he's off again. Look out in the crowd, it's not come down yet.
Well, he's always been one of these players that has the ability to light up a stadium. And he found that really well, did Afridi. Top of the bounce, and he smashed it. Really good hands as well.
Well, he's always had a fabulous eye. He just loves smacking the ball. He's got a taste for this, you know. Slow delivery, pulled into the leg side. Fielder out there, just a single. Ends the 7th over, 89 for 1. Hello. Look out in the crowd, in fact, look out in the road.
Oh my word, Shahid Afridi, he's putting on a performance tonight. This is belligerent. I fancy a bit of that. Let me have a bit of that.
Well, that's not coming back for a while. Look at the airtime. That's out of here. There's a lot of cars that were just round there when I came in who were banked up there. It's just come back. The roundabout outside, nobody knows where they're going. His best score for Afridi ever, T20, is 80. I bet it came off about 12 balls, but...
Yeah, buddy. Take 6.5 shot out, come on.
Full toss into the leg side. Mid on. Oh, he's put it down. Oh, what a drop. And it's Madsen.
Oh, can you believe it? Wayne Madsen, he's had such a good tournament with the bat, with the ball. And when the time comes in a knockout game, he's not able to deliver. 6 and out was the call. It's a full toss. It should have been dismissed. It was straight into his hands.
Now then, mid-wicket. No, there's a field over there. It's bounced on that roof. Good gracious.
Get your helmets on if you're in the crowd. Just offered, the only one he's offered in this over. A bit of length, and it's disappeared. Oh. Watch out for your cars. Most sixes that he's ever hit in a T20 game.
He's still not got the ball back. Where's the ball? Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, there's a windscreen going here, yeah.
Did you drive here today, Bumble?
No. I got a lift here. I'm on the Rattler. Down to Cardiff.
Whoa!
What's happened there with the stumps? I think the keeper's kicked them over.
Very good, good check.
9 overs, 107 for 1.
Oh, hit straight, hit powerfully. Oh, superb. All wrist. 4 more.
Played some incredible shots, hasn't he? Down the ground, this time on the ground. Incredible hit over the media centre.
Equals his career T20 best. Shahid Afridi. Well, he announced himself 21 years ago with 100 off 40 balls in the international game, and he's been doing it ever since. Plays in this swashbuckling style. Up and over, catches the cry. It's not going to be. It's going to spin away and may accelerate towards the boundary. and they'll get 3 in the end.
Career best, and it's been a combination really of his excellence with the bat. He's suffering now, isn't he? He's had a brilliant tournament with the bat and with the ball up until now, but
neatly played. Shahid has parried that away for 4. He should have done better, I think.
yeah, and the face of the reaction says it all really from Villiers. Whatever they've tried against Afridi hasn't quite worked.
That's a wonderful stroke, you know. He's made to pull it, hasn't he? Initially he's going to flat bat it, then he's ended up steering it, and to here. Ooh, the little flick. It's gone into the dugout. Caught by Bailey, dropped by Bailey. What's he doing, George Bailey?
Hand went up from George Bailey. Couldn't see, probably had the lid on. But what another, I mean, extraordinary shot, wasn't it, again? Just a little flick. It's not a small boundary.
Cut away, backward a point. This is going to be his 100th. Absolutely magnificent from Shahid Afridi.
Incredible innings from Shahid Afridi. Thanks for the entertainment. He really has been magnificent right from the first ball. Just attacked everything, whether it be spin or seam, on a pitch that's come onto the bat nicely. Fastest of the tournament so far. 42 deliveries for Boom Boom Afridi.
10-4, 7 sixes in this stunning effort. Absolutely delighted, saluting the crowd, saluting his teammates. Life in the old dog yet. I can't believe it's 21 years since he made his debut, but it is.
Can't believe that's
How
his
old
maiden.
is he?